In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect responses via web link in SurveyMonkey. We're going to set up a simple, flexible way to gather answers using a single shareable URL. This method is great when you want participants to respond from anywhere, on desktop or mobile, without needing email invitations or special access. Start by opening the survey you want to use. From your survey dashboard, look for the area where you publish or collect responses. Depending on your view, it may be labeled Publish, Collect Responses, or Share. Click into that section. This is where SurveyMonkey organizes everything related to distribution and tracking so you can manage how people access your questions. Next, generate your web link. Look for the option that says Share a Link. When you click it, SurveyMonkey creates a unique URL specifically for this survey. You don't need to recreate the link every time you edit questions. The same link stays active, and any updates you make to the survey will automatically apply to future respondents. That keeps things simple and consistent, especially when you're still refining your content. Now it's time to distribute. Copy the unique URL and share it anywhere your audience will see it. Paste it into an email, drop it in a chat or messaging platform, add it to a website page or event page, or include it in a social media post. Consider adding a brief call to action around the link, something clear like "take the survey." And if you're posting it in multiple places, keep a quick note of where you've shared it so you can better understand where responses are coming from later. Before you send it widely, take a moment to manage your settings. You can choose whether to allow multiple responses from the same device. Turn this on if you expect several people to answer from a shared computer or tablet, such as in a classroom or kiosk setting. Keep it off if you want to discourage duplicate entries. You can also decide whether to keep responses anonymous. When anonymity is enabled, responses won't be tied back to identifying details through this collector. This is especially helpful for sensitive topics where privacy encourages honest feedback. After adjusting these options, test your link. Open it in a fresh browser window or a private session to see the survey exactly as respondents will. Confirm that the settings behave the way you expect, then share confidently. That's it. Open your survey, go to the Publish section, share a link, copy and distribute it, and fine-tune your collector settings for multiple responses and anonymity. You're ready to start collecting responses via a web link in SurveyMonkey.